Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Rizahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how do we install EasyPanel in our VPS or in our server. But before we are going to the tutorial, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. And now you can also support me by click super thanks or you can join membership on this YouTube channel. Alright, so as I said earlier in this video, we are going to learn how do we install EasyPanel in our server, in our VPS server. Let's get to know what EasyPanel is. As you can see here, EasyPanel is kind of like just regular server control panel. If you have watched my previous video about Coolify and then Deploy, this EasyPanel is similar like that. So it's kind of like server control panel. Here, EasyPanel powered by Docker, and here they said it's kind of like intuitive interface to deploy application, manage databases, and then provision SSL certificate. So what's kind application or service that we can deploy here, like Node.js and then Ruby, Python, PHP, Golang, Java, and so on. We can bring our own Docker file to this EasyPanel. But in this video, we are going to focus on how do we install this control panel in our server. Maybe in the next video, we will talk more detail about how do we install or how do we set up any service or maybe any app in this panel. So here we can just push to deploy and we will get free SSL certificate and then one click app and so on and so on. And also EasyPanel offers database for us such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Redis. So let's check. Here in pricing, by default, EasyPanel is free here. And then we can also select hobby and then growth, business, and so on. But let's get to know, just press get started here. And then here we will see like getting started, requirement, Linux server, prefer using Ubuntu, and then at least 2 GB of RAM. We can also one-click installation if we use such as DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Linode, and Hostinger here. But in this video, we are going to use manual installation here. Look like this. Alright, so without further ado, first let's make sure that you have a VPS server or any server already. In this video, I'm using UltaHost here as usual. Make sure your server is fresh installation. It means nothing installed in this VPS. And then make sure your VPS has an access SSH. So next, we can just open or access my VPS. Just say SSH root and I need to copy the IP address here and then just press enter. And next we will get a question as usual like are you sure want to continue, and then just press yes. And now we need to input the password here. Just input here. And yeah, now I'm inside in this server, which is Ubuntu, as you can see here, Ubuntu 22, and this kind of like information about my VPS. So if you want to buy VPS on this UltaHost, you can just check link in the description below. Alright, let's back to EasyPanel here. First thing first, EasyPanel is powered by Docker, it means first we need to install Docker in our VPS. Just paste this. Alright, so now Docker installed in my Ubuntu server. And next, we need to select whether we want to choose stable or canary version. But I prefer to use stable version here. Just enter and then wait. As you can see here, full complete, downloading, extract, and then we can just wait until this process is done. So as you can see, this is like a manual installation by step, but if we back to homepage, as you can see here, we see like one line command, and when we copy in this, and then we can just check this URL here. Actually inside this, it's kind of like all the manual installation, such as first it's install Docker here, and then next it will be install stable version here. So you can just copy in this command and then paste in our terminal. So basically it's same with this process, which is manual installation. Alright, now EasyPanel installed in my server, which is accessed through this IP, and it's using port 3000. It's kind of like Next.js app. So it's just copy, and then we can go to this. And first thing first, we need to set up EasyPanel, like email, password, and how do we find EasyPanel. Alright, so this is EasyPanel. As you can see, we can see like a dashboard, and then here like a server usage such as CPU, memory, and then this network. It's kind of like a monitoring. But here we see like advanced monitoring is available if we have a license. So if we select this, we don't see a detailed information or advanced monitoring about our service or our project. Here, because this is very first or fresh installation, nothing's here. It means I don't have any project yet. And if we want to create a project, just hit create a project here and give a name of the project. And then action, it's kind of like a summarize or anything or something like logs, but it's a global. And then to monitoring, it's kind of like monitor of our service or of our server. And then domain, it will be shown here if we have a project and the project have a domain. And here the setting, it's a regular setting such as authentication, old password, new password, and so on. And then general here. By default, our EasyPanel will get a random domain here, which is kind of like this .easypanel.host. And if we copy in this and we go to this, it will same. It will bring us to our EasyPanel, as you can see here. And if we want to custom a domain, we can just put custom domain here. Don't forget to point IP address to this custom domain. And then GitHub, license, analytics, we can create a Google Analytics measurement here, and then user, cluster, and so on and so on. And maybe let's try to create a project here and select a service. As you can see here, we will see there are a lot of template and then service available in this easy panel. So we can just select like app, MySQL, it's kind of like a database, and then a template like n, we can just press, and then we can just select create here. So it's very simple and easy as the name easy panel. Alright, so yeah, I think that's enough my video today. We have learned about how do we install easy panel in our VPS server. So if you have any question or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.